Hi, and welcome. If you're living with a chronic illness, you know better than anyone that your environment plays a huge role in your daily well being. Your home should be your sanctuary, but often it feels like another challenge, draining your already limited energy. An occupational therapist can help change that. In this video, we're going to dive into the value of an occupational therapist's personalized home assessment. Our goal? To show you how this specialized approach can help you understand and implement pacing in your daily life, minimizing those difficult crashes and maximizing your independence. Let's start. What do occupational therapists do? OTs are healthcare professionals focused on promoting health, well-being, and quality of life by supporting your access and participation in daily life. They work with anyone who is struggling or might soon struggle with their daily activities. Their core focus, the occupation. They focus on the things you want and need to do every day, like self-care, home management, work, leisure, and social activities. The method. They work collaboratively with you as an individual, a family, or a group to understand your unique context and challenges. The goal. They help you access and sustain participation in life by finding ways to address individual or systemic barriers. In short, they help you manage your health so you can participate in life. If you watched our video on pacing and energy management, you know your goal is to break the push-crash cycle. But how do you actually apply those principles to your daily life? That's where the occupational therapist's home assessment comes in. A personalized OT assessment focuses on making your environment and routine work with your limited energy instead of against it. An OT assessment is not about telling you what you can't do. It's about creating a personalized blueprint for independence. An OT customizes solutions by following a few steps. Observation in your environment. They observe you doing your actual daily tasks like self-care, cooking, or cleaning right in your own home. Pinpointing energy drains. They pinpoint the specific challenges in your physical space and routine that are draining your limited energy or violating pacing principles. For instance, is your shower setup causing orthostatic stress? Is your kitchen layout forcing too much unnecessary standing? Tailored adaptations. They then develop tailored home and routine adaptations designed specifically for your symptoms. This could involve recommending assistive devices, suggesting ergonomic adjustments, or helping you segment tasks more effectively. The OT assessment covers everything from recommending specific assistive devices to providing strategies for your cognitive challenges. Assistive devices. They help you select tools like shower chairs, reachers, or counter height stools to reduce physical strain and conserve energy. Cognitive support. They recommend using things like medication alarms, electronic calendars, or speech-to-text apps to manage brain fog and reduce mental fatigue. Symptom tracking. They encourage the use of apps like Visible or Bearable to turn the guesswork into data, helping you track triggers and stay within your energy envelope. Ultimately, the OT home assessment helps you translate the idea of pacing into sustainable daily action. This personalized approach minimizes crashes, reduces the frustration of overexertion, and empowers you to maximize your independence and reclaim joy in your daily life. It's about making your home work for your health. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to stop pushing through and start adapting, an OT home assessment could be your next step. If you haven't already watched it, we encourage you to check out our video on pacing and energy management for more tips. Take care, and if you feel an occupational therapist home assessment could help you, please talk to your doctor about getting a referral.